Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Turbo John YouTube channel. So today is springtime. We're all in lockdown. I know you guys, like me, have got to start cutting grass soon. Grass don't care about no coronavirus. So we got to cut the grass. So I went to go crank my lawnmower today, and this thing is a heap. But here's my lawnmower. I went to crank it and it did not start. It said, I ain't happening today. I hit the starter button and it said, not today, Pappy. Nothing. Yes, this is my beat up lawnmower. Our good friends gave us this lawnmower about 10 years ago. The front, I'm converting it into a rat rod. That's what my goal is to make the lawnmower a rat rod. I am succeeding. But anyway, let's talk about this battery. So I got this battery last year. So it's been sitting outside for the whole duration of the winter. So let's see what kind of battery voltage we have. 0.13 volts. If you buy a battery charger now, most of them are smart. And this one's old, beat up one. I think I got this one from Harbor Freight or somewhere, but they're all the same. Of course, this is in the race car trailer most of the time, so it's a little damaged, but normally it still works. But needless to say, this is a smart battery charger. So smart battery charger, you plug it in, it's smart. Nothing out here. So in order for this thing to charge, it's got a sense battery. So this is good. It's good and bad. So the good thing about it is it won't ever let you reverse it. If you reverse it on the battery, it'll say ain't working. It's not going to happen. So it won't charge. So if the battery's got a few volts in it and you stick it on there, then this thing will come on and charge. So today we have no voltage. So what is my solution? So a lot of people might know what this is, but there's a lot of people that may not. So first, it's very important to put this on the right side. This is the negative side, this is the positive side. So you stick that on there and it is not doing anything at all. So we got nothing happening here. No charging because it doesn't know it's hooked up to a battery because there's no voltage there. Let me show you something. The best thing to do, what we're going to do is we're going to trick this charger into thinking that this battery has voltage. So you can take your regular old set of jumper cables, hook it to the positive, hook it to the negative, and then hook it to a vehicle. And then that way it'll just think, just let it sit there for a minute and it'll start getting a little charge, and then this thing will kick over and it'll start going. So not a problem. That's probably the proper way to do it. I don't do things properly. So I do things improper. That's the proper way to do it. This is the improper way, but it works. So if you don't have ability to get a big battery down to wherever you're trying to do, this works for race car batteries. This works for Optima batteries, gel batteries. This works for almost everything. I've even had it happen on this battery. Actually, this battery was no good. This is the wife's drill battery. It was dead. She was hiding it from me. And when she needed it, it was dead. But if you look, there's a positive and a negative on here. If you look on here, there's a positive and a negative. So there's always, now this is a little higher voltage than this one, but not by much. But so what happens when you take this one, a positive and a couple leads here, you got to be very careful. Don't try this at home, kids. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses and gloves. Don't be stupid. That's the biggest thing. Don't be stupid when you're trying to do this. So if you connect the positive of this one to the positive of that one, and the negative of this one to the negative of that one, it's going to charge it. It's going to balance out and it's going to put a little bit of charge on here. So now when you stick this back in your battery charger, you only have to leave it on there for a few minutes. I wouldn't leave it alone. Just leave it in there for 30 seconds or a minute, couple minutes, and then hook your battery charger up to it quickly. It senses it and it will charge it, because all your home battery chargers that are like this are now smart too. So let's take this one. So like I said, we're going to do it the improper way. So let's see what we can get here. Just my voltmeter back up here. Try to get a reading on this. Got positive. And now we're going to be very careful. We're going to do the negative on here as well. Okay, there we go. So we got a negative in there. Now we're going to put the positive on this side. And so now it's going to start coming on. Okay, so now we got 19 volts. So we're gonna let that 19 volts come. That's a little bit of overcharge scenario. But look, I turn it off. Now look what happened. Look what we got. So this is no longer connected. Now we're at 14 volts. Check this out, the charger come on. Yes, the little amp gauge is not working. So I was able to fake this. Well, I wasn't really able to fake it out. I made the charger realize that there was actually a battery here. And that's how it went to charge. Because this thing would not charge if it thought there was no battery. Okay, so now we got good charge. So we're charging over here. This thing is moseying along. This will work if you're in a bind and you need to put a charge on a battery that is completely dead. Any questions? All right, guys, with a snap of a finger, we're into tomorrow. This thing's been charging all night. Nobody stole the Rat Rock golf cart over the night, so that's good. So let's see what kind of battery voltage we got. This thing maintains or not. It's been slow charging all night. Okay, so we had 13 volts on the battery. It's going to drop. Natural voltage should be somewhere in the 12.5, 12.7. So we're not going to, the battery is a little warm, but it's not bad. Let's see if it turns over. All right. That's a good thing. Now we got to get the stale gas out of it and get it ready to crank. But anyway, that is exactly how you bring back to life a dead battery with an automatic battery charger that will not charge because it doesn't know it's hooked up. Okay, so let's try to start it real fast. Choke on. Okay, so here we go. We got Chase. He's got the leaf blower. He's on a skateboard. We're going to see if it pushes him. Yep, angle it back just like a rocket. Okay, turn it on high. Let's see what happens. I think the road's too rocky. Let's try it on the concrete up there.
This was definitely my idea.
Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Not my normal type of video. It's summertime. The grass is growing. Honeydew, baby.